Joan of Arc here in Brussels, Waterloo. This is the site of the Battle of Napoleon, where he was defeated by the Duke of Wellington. And I've just been to that farm over there beyond those trees. That's the farm of Hugomon. So it was owned by a rich farmer, and it was controlled by the British Army. So just to make this video worthwhile, let's try some Ilonggo words like farm. Farm in Ilonggo is oma. So this is an oma, and I think they're planting potatoes here. But I've seen some over there, but now it's just grass, hilamon. Grass is hilamon. And okay, you can see behind me over there is the Lion's Mound. That's the mountain that marked the site where the son of the Dutch King of Netherlands, because Belgium used to be Netherlands, still part of Netherlands. There wasn't Belgium then at the time, 1815. So the king wanted to mark the spot where his son was injured. And so he took a huge mound of earth from the ridge where the Duke of Wellington positioned his men, and thereafter won the battle. So it's basically a vast area, vast field, and there were 3 farms or uma that were key to the winning of the battle against Napoleon. And we've been up there at the mound. It's an artificial hill, of course, and a hill is called bungyod. So it's up there, bungyod. And so it's a really wide area, wide lapad area, a lugar or a place or a vicinity. So it's a place. Oops. This stone makes the last position of the G Troop, Royal Horse Artillery, commanded by Captain Mercer during the Battle of Waterloo. And from here, the troop took a conspicuous part in defeating the attacks of the French cavalry. So every strategic place here is marked by markers that mark the area of the Battle of Waterloo. I've always wondered what Waterloo looked like, and here it is. There's another marker over there that describes what happened here in 1815. So, Le Charge de la Cavalière Francaise, whatever. Welcome to the site of the famous Battle of Waterloo. It was here Sunday, 8th June 1815. Almost 200,000 men faced each other in battle for more than 10 hours. Wow. I think this marks the spot where Lieutenant died. So they put a marker here, and that's my shadow, my landong. And there's the mound, the bungyod. Alright, this is Joan of Arc here in Waterloo, Brussels. This is not exactly Waterloo, but about 2 kilometers from here, but it's more popularly known as Waterloo anyway. So from Brussels, see you in our next video. Bye!